National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sheridan County in the panhandle of Nebraska until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alliance, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellsworth, Antioch, Snow Lake, Wixon Lake, Diamond Lake, Lakeside, Krause Lake, Kennedy Lake, Smith Lake State Wildlife Management Area, intersection of Highway 87 and Antelope Road, and Wildgren Lake State Recreation Area. This includes the following highways: Highway 20 near mile marker 80, Highway 250 between mile markers 1 and 27, Highway 2 between mile markers 96 and 121. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Sheridan, Nebraska,